Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Kscraft May release sets that I have been working on, and in this video I will show you guys what I have made using the birthday sentiments. I have also used the bold birthday words, cake slice shaker, the layered cakes, and the birthday sentiments label set that has stamp and dies included. And then I have used the loop scalloped bow as well as the birthday bag. Let's first start off with the words. So here are my bold birthday words. Here is the words that say birthday party. So you can mix and match these words according to your project, and they are really good size to add to many different projects that you have in mind, such as mini album, card making, decorating your tote bag, boxes. Then we have these ones. So I've done them in like several different pattern papers from the Simple Stories. Happiest Place, I think that's what it's called. So I've got wishes here. Then I have celebrate in two different backgrounds, like one in the pink, one in the holographic stripy pattern, as you can see. Then I have happy birthday, so I can use that for something. Then I also have hooray and happy. So wonderful. And these are really good Happy Mail gift ideas because these are time consuming, so whoever receives words, they will really appreciate it. Then the other birthday sentiment set, I have already used some on different items that I'm going to show you, but you get pieces that look like this. It says cake calories don't count. I have forever fabulous, and this one says still younger than tomorrow, which I never thought of, and I really like that sentiment now. And this one says sending birthday hugs. You also get yay, it's your birthday, and there's another one. So this is a tip I would like to share with you guys. If you are new to making words, if you wanted to make them really fast, you can use like adhesive-sided foam sheet like this. This is only 1 millimeter thickness. So you can put all of your cutting dies on here and then take it through the die cutting machine. So then you have an instant sticker piece to use for your words. So you just have to cut out the shadow background pieces in different pattern paper and then use your foam adhesive sheet to do this. And I also decided to do the foam way because I also want a dimension, but plus these are more of a thinner side words. So it saves me time, and you know, when you're gluing thin bits, you really need to be careful not to over glue and things like that. So this is a really good tip I really recommend for thinner words. So I have those. And then I will show you the stamp and die set words. And I have decorated some of these as well. And I have also added it onto some other things. So you get, now I probably should show you this set. So with this set, you get this is the layering piece, the background layering piece. Now, if you didn't want to use the stamp sets that included in this set, it is still worthwhile buying because you can use these together. And then you can cut the pattern paper, you can use your pattern paper or glitter cardstock to cut this. And then you can also cut this in another color version or whatever, then layer it together. Then you can use your puffy alpha stickers to spell different words. So this set is an excellent set even if it didn't include the stamp set. The stamp set that comes in here gives you the guidelines. So you stamp this in one go. Then you use this particular die set next to put it onto here. So so after you stamp it, you will be matching this circular bits where the black circle bits are, like this. And then you die cut it all together. See? Here's an example. It's just really fast process for you to do. So using that set, I have done some in the flat version without adding anything to the back, and this is how it looks. So this is flat as is without no layering piece behind. So you get treat yourself, 1 year older. And then I have some flat layered pieces. This one says hip hip hooray. And I added some nail charms. So nail charms are wonderful pieces to use for your embellishments like this. And then I used tiny gem stickers here as well. Then we have Treat Yourself. I added the ice cream nail charm here. And with the gem stickers on the side, I did add some foam strip to give it extra dimension. Then I have these ones here. Cheers to You. See how I used the sparkle glitter cardstock for the background? Then we have Best Wishes, Celebrate. And I added a little piece of ice cream. So sweet. Then I have used my bunny flat back charms as well. Enjoy Your Day, Make a Wish. I also have It's Your Day, Cheers to You. Then I have like flat back heart piece and it says Enjoy Your Day, Celebrate, Birthday Hugs, another hip hip hooray. I did them in 2 pattern paper. So I used the pattern paper to stamp it, then I cut it. 1 year older. I do have a tip for you guys. When you are stamping your new stamp set, it's also a great idea to use a thin foam sheet underneath your stamping paper. That way it actually prints out much nicer. So I really wanted to share that. So I have these sentiments already here for gifting and for using. Then you guys, I have made the layered cakes. So this comes with 2 different sizes. Okay, now I have already used one on another project and you will get to see that towards the end. But this comes with 2 different sizes and this is the smaller version. And with the smaller version, you get the cream part added part as well. But I layered it using 2mm foam to give it a bit of dimension. And so that it looks away from the flatness. And I also used the birthday sentiment party time on here. Now with the set, you get included this banner stand piece. But what I did with this one, see how you can see the pink and you can see the gold? The reason is that I cut the stand layering piece with the glitter gold and then I just layered it on top of the pattern paper. So that gives me that little bit of extra height. And because it's got double line, it's so much easier to glue down the word piece as well. And then I added a balloon ephemera piece. And it says party time. So I have this to use for future as well. Now, if you hear some kids yelling and stuff, because that's our neighbors' kids, they can go crazy. Okay, so we have this one here where I layered the big size cake and the small size cake together on top. You also get included this HBD as well as these banner pennants. And so I did use those. Then I also did something different. So the sprinkles are included in the layered cake set. But what I did different to this one is I used my crocodile and I punched 2 holes on each side. Then I used my hot pink jump ring and as well as the similar color tone chain. Then I added all the sweet goodness. So I am all about using my stash. So I enjoy all of my charms in the range that I have. So I had a cupcake, the lollipop, the rainbow, and the ice cream. So I added that there and it looks so pretty, like a pretty decoration. Then I also did use the birthday balloon from Kscraft that was released last year. I did share this with you guys in my Kscraft May release cutting die video prior to this one. And I added that one here onto the right side. Then I added one of these sentiments onto the balloon part. And it says, "It's your day." And I managed to capture Minnie Mouse and the Mickey Mouse from the paper collection I'm using. How fun is this, right? Okay, so the next one is I made another version of the cake. And this one is called, what was this one called? And now I'm forgetting. Cake Slice Shaker. So with the Cake Slice Shaker, you also get included the candle piece. But what I did with my candle piece is I didn't use the layering piece for the flame. I just used my alcohol marker to color the top part, the flame part. You also get included in the set the cream part. So I cut them in glitter pink and I also did it in glitter white foam for dimension. And then I used 3 of the candle for this one. So I glued the candle behind the cream and then glued it down onto the top part of the cake slice. Then I used some flat back stickers to decorate my cream area to make it even more fun. I used the daisy pattern paper from that Simple Stories collection I'm using. And then for the cake frame, I used the pink cardstock. And you get this layering piece for the top part of the cake included. And here I also use one of these words that I stamped and cut. And it says make a wish. And it's got this adorable sweet strawberry girl on here. And you can see the pattern easily. Plus you can see the nice colors that's involved with the pattern paper that's here. So this is a really fun embellishment to make. You can create cakes in all sorts of flavors and all sorts of themes. That is just wonderful. I will definitely be using this for Halloween theme as well as Christmas for sure. And honestly, cake can be used for anything. It's such a fun thing. And you've got birthday cards to make throughout the year, right? For every single month. So fun. Then I did something different with my cream. I added the cream, 3 of them, 3 dollops of cream onto the edge of the cake. So I used some foam sticker. Can you see? You could probably see. I used some foam squares and things to do this. And then I also did use the little cherry flatback stickers that I've got. Isn't that so fun? And then I used the sentiment again, birthday hugs. I also did use another daisy pattern paper included in that collection. And I included some flower clay bits and flower sequin bits in here as well as some seed beads as well. So fun. I mean, they are just so delicious looking. Then I have another one. So in the Simple Stories collection, there are polka dotted pattern paper. So I captured that with another pattern paper that I had, and I used the pink cream. This time I added strawberry for my decorative part for the cake slice, and then added the happy birthday. How fun is this, right? So I could probably make a lot of these. Seriously, I could. But I think 3 is enough for right now. So here I am sharing it with you. So I've got those. Then, you guys, oh my gosh. Okay. The loop scallop bow. Oh my gosh. If it's your first time buying a bow set, this is definitely a must. It is so pretty. Very easy to put together. All you have to do is once you cut these out, right? You match that bit there, the edge bit there, and you fold it in half to match this bit here. So this bit and this bit matches, and then you just have to glue it down and it easily forms into this. Super easy. And you get 3 different sizes. So this is the smallest size. I did one in the daisy pattern paper. And just as it is. I didn't like double layer it or anything like that. Okay. Then this is, I think this is this the largest size? Yes, this is the largest size, I think. No, this is the medium size. This is the medium size bow. And I captured the daisy foam sticker in the middle because I've got like daisy pattern papers and things with this collection. Then this is another, hang on a minute. No, this is the medium size. See, I'm getting confused. See, this is small, medium, and large, you guys. So this is the medium size where I used 2 different pattern papers for the base and the bow. I did use a puffy sticker in the Disney theme from another Simple Stories collection with the foam square underneath it. Isn't that so fun? So pretty. Then, you guys, this one here, I used the medium size base and then I added the small size bow on top. So just the medium-sized base with the small bow on top, and it looks like this. Then I have this one here, which is the large bow. Then I use the medium-sized bow only and put that on top. Then I finish the middle with a rainbow chipboard. Okay, so I have these, and I use some more bow on another project, which I'm going to show you right now, which is the birthday bag. So the birthday bag, you guys, look how spacious this is. So spacious. And I use the Simple Stories collection, this Happiest Place, and I love all of the colors included in that collection. It is super fun. Here is the largest size layered cake with the birthday sentiment, yay, it's your day. This is where I added the medium-sized bow that I made in the pink pattern paper, as well as the small size that I layered straight on top. So it's got the whole entire medium-sized bow, plus another small one on top, finished it off with the daisy. So I used the pattern paper for the layering, and I used the pattern paper here, but I also backed it with pearlescent cardstock to make it nice and sturdy handle. I finished the handle part with the heart pieces like this, so pretty. And I love all of the color combo that's involved with this birthday bag. This is the side gusset. Okay, if you don't have any gusset die like this, you must buy this set, because with the gusset, you guys, you can combine this with so many other cutting dies and create yourself a nice bag or even a gift box without the handle. It is just such a good thing. I absolutely love any set that gives you that kind of gusseted side. Okay. Then on the other side, the word happy birthday is included in this bag set. And here is where I added the medium size bow. Hang on a minute. No, let me get this right. This is the largest size bow. So I added the largest size bow with the daisy pattern paper, making sure that you see plenty of the Mickey and Minnie. So you've got Mickey and Minnie all down here that I didn't cover. I did put the happy birthday right in the middle. And I also made sure that this Mickey is shown right underneath the bow. So your eye goes through the whole thing nicely. Such a spacious bag. Absolutely wonderful bag. You can make this into any theme. Use it throughout the year. You can just make many of this for like your children's birthday party or any kind of gifting. It is such a wonderful size bag. Absolutely love it so much. Okay, that is everything I have for you guys. I did also make another version of Happy Birthday from the same set, so I can use this in my future project as well. So I have got all of these ready-made and for me to use on other things that I will be making with the most fun, exciting release from Kscraft. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I look forward to showing you more of my creations. Bye for now.